If this is the first time that you are visiting our channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Across the globe, in the heart of many nations, lies a powerful force: nuclear energy. This energy source, capable of fueling entire cities, comes with a promise of progress and a potential for peril. While nuclear power has emerged as a beacon of hope for a future free from fossil fuels, its history is etched with rare yet unforgettable disasters. In this documentary, we venture into the unsettling reality of nuclear accidents, dissecting the top 5 most significant events that have shaped our world. Join us as we delve into the echoes of disaster, peeling back the layers of history to understand the lessons learned and the ongoing efforts to ensure that such events are never repeated. Our journey begins in the Soviet Union in 1986. A routine safety test at the Chernobyl Nuclear Power Plant was about to unleash disaster. A fatal flaw and operational errors triggered an uncontrollable power surge. The catastrophic explosion released radioactive material into the atmosphere. 2 plant workers died on the night of the explosion, and 28 emergency workers and plant operators died from acute radiation syndrome in the following weeks. The exclusion zone remains uninhabitable due to lingering radiation. The disaster contaminated vast areas of Europe, particularly Belarus, Ukraine, and Russia. Over 300,000 people were evacuated, and an exclusion zone of 30 kilometers remains uninhabitable. Estimates of the total death toll from radiation-related illnesses vary widely, with some studies suggesting thousands of future cancer deaths. Chernobyl is a stark reminder of nuclear energy's unforgiving nature. Our journey takes us to the shores of Japan, where the island nation faced a nuclear crisis in 2011. On March 11th, a magnitude 9.0 earthquake struck off the coast. The earthquake triggered a devastating tsunami, leaving behind a trail of destruction. The Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant was among the hardest hit. Critical cooling systems were knocked offline, leading to meltdowns in 3 reactors. Over 150,000 people were evacuated, and significant radioactive contamination affected the surrounding area. The disaster prompted a reassessment of global nuclear safety standards. Our exploration of nuclear accidents takes us to the United States, where the 3 Mile Island incident in 1979 served as a stark wake-up call for the nation. Located near Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, the 3 Mile Island nuclear generating station became synonymous with a nuclear near-miss. The incident began with a seemingly minor mechanical failure in the plant's cooling system. However, a cascade of operator errors and design flaws exacerbated the situation, leading to a partial meltdown in one of the reactors. The release of radioactive gases into the atmosphere, though minimal, fueled public anxiety. The 3 Mile Island accident led to a moratorium on new nuclear power plant construction and a comprehensive overhaul of safety regulations. The cleanup process took 14 years and cost approximately $1 billion. Public confidence in nuclear energy was severely shaken, leading to stricter safety regulations and a slowdown in the construction of new reactors in the United States. Our journey into the history of nuclear accidents takes us to the shrouded Ural Mountains of Soviet Russia, where the Kyshtym disaster of 1957 unfolded in secrecy. Hidden for decades, the Kyshtym disaster was a catastrophic nuclear accident exposing Cold War secrecy. A cooling system failure led to a chemical explosion, releasing radioactive particles into the atmosphere. The explosion released 20 million curies of radioactivity, contaminating an area of about 20,000 square kilometers. The Soviet government suppressed information, fearing international repercussions. Over 10,000 people were evacuated, and thousands more were exposed to high levels of radiation. The full extent of health effects remains unknown due to the Soviet Union's secrecy. The true extent remained hidden until the Soviet Union acknowledged it in 1989. Our exploration of nuclear accidents concludes in the United Kingdom, where the Windscale fire of 1957 serves as a testament to the evolving nature of nuclear safety. The Windscale piles, located in Cumbria, England, were graphite-moderated reactors used for the production of plutonium. In October 1957, a routine heating operation went awry, igniting a fire within one of the reactors. The fire raged for 3 days, releasing radioactive material into the atmosphere. The British government, in response to the Windscale fire, implemented stricter safety regulations and increased oversight of the nuclear industry. The incident also led to changes in reactor design, with a move away from graphite-moderated reactors like those at Windscale. The legacy of Windscale lies in the lessons learned and the subsequent advancements in nuclear safety that have shaped the industry we know today. The echoes of these nuclear disasters resonate through history, reminding us of the immense power and potential dangers of nuclear energy. Each incident, from the devastating explosion at Chernobyl to the fire that engulfed Windscale, has left an indelible mark on our planet and its people. Yet from the ashes of these disasters, a profound lesson emerges, a lesson about the importance of vigilance, transparency, and a relentless pursuit of safety. International cooperation has fostered the exchange of knowledge and best practices, ensuring that lessons learned from each incident contribute to a safer nuclear future. The echoes of past disasters must serve as a constant reminder of our responsibility to harness nuclear energy safely and responsibly for the benefit of generations to come.
If you want us to make this kind of video, make sure you comment below and do not forget to subscribe.